13th floor here. Back at Poland.
Portland. Back in Portland.
Back in Portland.
And
Battery.
It's not as cold as yesterday, but
yeah.
Still a bit nippy. Yeah, we want to try and see what else we can get, guys, from this place, because we think this place is pretty cool. So
my footage was corrupted.
His footage was fucked, so we're back here again. So hopefully this time we can get you guys some footage.
Part 2.
Yeah, and we'll try not to shout inside the tunnels. I'm sorry about that.
We're gonna whisper this time rather than
whisper. Yo, what up, motherfucker? Right, guys. We are 13th floor, and we're going to investigate in the fucking ghost tunnels. Let's go.
Is anyone here? Do you want to make contact? That's just me. I'm just putting this on. Okay. Sorry. Is anyone here? Could you make a noise, please, for us? We can hear that breathing again, but I'm not sure if it's going to pick it up on this camera. It's coming from the hallway out here. Daniel, we were in here yesterday. Dave, did someone keep out on that wall?
Someone what?
That wasn't there yesterday.
What?
It says on that wall, keep out.
Alright.
Can you hear that breathing? Listen. Can you hear that breathing again?
Yeah, I'm going to sit down in that room. Let's all go and use this camera.
Are we going in there?
Yeah, we'll go in there.
But I can hear the breathing in here.
It's coming from down here, look.
Where?
This way. I swear it's coming from this room that we were in yesterday.
Try and be careful when you walk.
Did you hear that?
What was it?
I heard someone go,
What is that sound?
I don't know. I'll sit down. Can I do a lot of
Okay. I'm just turning this off for now.
If anyone's here,
scared the shit out of me, Dave. Shh. Can you stop walking around? Dave, shut up. Oh, for God's sake. Daniel, give Dave that camera. He's gonna stay in here by himself. Okay, we'll stand still. Dave is going to stay here, and this is me and Daniel leaving. Where do you want to go? Go on. Wait, can you stand still now? Shh. Your coat's so noisy, Daniel. Your coat's so noisy. If there's anybody here, could you make a big noise for us so we know that you're here? If there's anyone here that would like to communicate, could you make a bang or some kind of noise, so we know that you're here. If there's someone in the room with us, could you make a loud bang? sounds like someone's breathing, like, but really heavily. And it's like right outside that door. He's getting closer. I know it sounds like someone's sleeping. Just like when they make that heavy breathing when you're asleep. That's what it sounds like. I don't know. What did what was that? Did you hear like a growl? Oh, I hope the camera's picking these things up because I'm fucking terrified. I don't really want to have to come back here again to try and get more noises. There's definitely something in that. I think so. Yeah, that's Dave. That's Dave moving. That's Dave. It is. It's gotta be. Yeah, it is.
Did I freak you out?
There's a hole in the wall.
Did I freak you out?
Right. Did you move before?
I was sat down the whole time.
What told you? It sounded like somebody was walking up and down here.
I heard something.
Did you? And me and him were literally.
Say again?
Did you do that
I heard.
That was us, and we thought it might be you.
No, I didn't move at all.
Did you do this?
No, I was sat there still the whole time. I
She
didn't.
said, "Oh, it's Dave."
I heard it. If you watch this camera back, you'll see me just watching like that.
Me and Dad, me and Daniel have just been standing here like fucking frozen. Yeah, we heard. We heard. Dave, stand still and you'll hear it. Listen.
I'll tell you what was weird. That wind thing.
Now we've moved on to the next tunnel. This is another tunnel. What was that?
Guys, everyone's getting down it against stone.
What do you mean?
The stones.
Oh. We still shouting. Show your fucking stuff. I swear to fucking what? Everything's happening. Can I help? Someone's throwing stones at me. I swear to you.
Spooky.
Someone's throwing stones at me. Should we check that gate?
Yeah.
Right, well, this gate's locked.
Locked, is it not?
Yeah.
Proper bolted.
Yep. Chill up there too.
What? Oh,
Chill,
yeah.
chill up there.
And there's nothing up there. This is where I came from to show you the gate.
I'm gonna fart now.
That's it moving. If there's anyone here, could you give us a noise? Not that kind of noise. That was Daniel. Sorry. If there's anyone here, could you give us a noise? Oh, sorry, that was me. I stepped on glass.
That was scary.
Sorry, Daniel. If there's anyone here, could you make us a loud bang? Not you. If there's anyone here, could you make a loud noise for us, please? If that was you, could you make a louder noise for us? Was that up there? If that was you making that noise, could you make it a little bit louder? I just heard a loud breathing sound. I just came from down there. If that's you making those noises, could you make louder ones so the camera can hear? I don't know what I'm hearing. What's that? I think it's just the echoes.
That wasn't me.
I heard that.
That wasn't me.
It sounded like somebody throwing something at that gate down there.
That's one.
That was fucking strange. When we left that room then,
Yeah?
it sounded like someone threw something at the gates, the bottom.
Really?
Yes.